Dignity Restoration and Grievance Settlement Association, DRGSA, commonly known as Dignity India, was registered on April 29, 2011, as a non-governmental organization with the Delhi government to operate across India. Over the years, it has expanded into an umbrella body encompassing more than 100 organizations and over 150 individual members nationwide. Dignity India is actively involved in consumer protection and advocacy. It is a member of the Consumer Awareness Group of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, and other regulatory bodies. Additionally, it is registered with the income tax authorities under Section 12A, offering benefits to donors under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act. Our mission and vision. The primary objective of Dignity India is to safeguard the rights of Indian citizens. The organization works diligently to create awareness about consumer rights, improve access to education for the underprivileged, protect and promote the rights of senior citizens. Manage a senior citizen home in Abohar, Punjab, providing free shelter and care for over 50 deprived elderly individuals. Mediate between consumers and corporations to resolve grievances. Act as a whistleblower when necessary. Consumer grievance redressal. Dignity India operates a website, www.dignityindia.org, where aggrieved citizens can register complaints. The organization forwards these complaints to the concerned companies and strives for quick resolutions. Senior citizen welfare. With the rise of nuclear families and limited government support, senior citizens often struggle with isolation, expensive healthcare, and declining financial security. Dignity India aims to utilize their skills and talents while providing them with a comfortable and peaceful home environment. Expansion plans. Dignity India plans to establish advice, awareness, and complaint centers in rural and semi-urban areas. Since its inception, the organization has been funded by the personal savings of its chairman and team. Areas of expertise. Dignity India's team of experts provides support in the following areas: consumer awareness and complaint redressal, digital literacy, environmental protection, waste and waste management, financial literacy, health and hygiene, welfare of senior citizens, human rights, road safety, anti-tobacco awareness, skill development, women empowerment, transgender empowerment, yoga and physical fitness, telecom consumer advocacy, Jio Mobile, April 1, 2022 to March 31, 2024, DRGSA was a member of the appellate group, attended awareness programs, and reviewed consumer complaints related to Jio services. Vodafone Idea, since April 1, 2024 present, DRGSA continues to participate in awareness programs and review consumer grievances. MTNL, since April 1, 2024 present, DRGSA remains an active participant in consumer awareness programs and complaint reviews. Representation and advocacy. Dignity India organizes consumer awareness programs across India and represents consumer interests on various platforms. It is also a member of the Consumer Confederation of India, CCI, an apex body comprising over 500 consumer organizations. Dr. Arun Kumar, our president, also serves as the national president, trustee, and life member, advocating for consumer rights at the highest level. Consumer Times YouTube channel. Dignity India spreads awareness through its YouTube channel, Consumer Times, which hosts around 600 videos. About 25 of these videos specifically cater to telecom consumers, including the latest content on mobile scams. Check out our channel here, https://www.youtube.com/@consumertimes. For more information, visit www.dignityindia.org. or subscribe to Consumer Times for the latest consumer updates and awareness campaigns.